Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So finally I have received the official OneUi 8.5 update on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video I will show you that how you guys can update it. So simply go into the settings of your device, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will see this new update available, which is the OneUi 8.5. If we talk about the update size, so it is around 4.5 gigabytes in size with the security patch level of April 5th, 2026. The security patch level was same on the Galaxy S25 series as well. And if we talk about the changes, so there are multiple new features available this time around and some UI changes with the OneUi 8.5 update. First of all, you will have to download this update. So for that, simply tap on this download option available over here. So now the download process will begin, and once the update is downloaded, you can install it on your device. But as I mentioned earlier, make sure to install and download this update in a cooler temperature to avoid any further issues regarding the green line. And once the update is downloaded, you will get to see this option of install now. Make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your phone during this installation process. And again, make sure that it is in a cooler temperature. And once all the conditions meet, tap on this install now option. And the installation process will begin. By the way, let me know in the comment section that have you got it on your device or not yet. Also, let me know your experience after the OneUi 8.5 update. So the update is finally installed and you get to see this welcome option of the OneUi 8.5. You can tap on start. And now it will give you a quick overview of the new OneUi 8.5 features. You can check them, then tap on next option. By the way, I would suggest you guys to keep your phone unused right after the update, as it might be optimizing the apps, so it can lag a bit. So finally you are all set up, and here's a quick overview of all the OneUi 8.5 features and the UI changes. Then you can go back and tap on home button and enjoy the OneUi 8.5 update. I will make a detailed video on the new changes and the features that are available on this Galaxy S24 Ultra after the OneUi 8.5 update. So make sure to like and subscribe for that, and make sure to press the bell icon as well. And that's it for today's video. This was the new OneUi 8.5 update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was the most anticipated update. The first beta version for the Galaxy S25 series was launched in December 2025, and finally today we have this official update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So install this update on your device, and yes, it is with the Android 16 version. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.